Hello, welcome to um, Virgo Philippines. Reading to for Virgo ha, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Ayan, take only what resonates guys. Bali, hindi to magre-resonate sa lahat. Kasi normal yon, hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy na Virgo sa mundo. So, kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading na lang kay Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya, Jing Tarot Reader, sa Facebook, sa Messenger, sa TikTok, yan. Diyan mo siya pwedeng i-search. Kung, meron din siyang YouTube guys. Please do support her na lang din. Jing Tarot Trader dito sa YouTube. Start na natin ang reading guys. TikTok ko, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Please do follow me there. Ayan. And please do comment down below. Ma-appreciate ko yung comments ninyo. Likes ninyo. Heart, heart, heart. Yan. Yung mga comment ninyo. At yung pag-subscribe ninyo sa akin. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang. Start na natin guys. Shuffle ko lang ng konti. Isa pa. Plus na lang. For the sign of Virgo. Okay. Thank you for casting you guys. Let's start your reading. This is for the sign of Virgo. Two of Pentacles. The Star. Oh, wow. King of Cups. Ayan. I feel like yung focus mo ngayon has something to do with your dreams. Yeah. Nakikita natin unti-unti mong nararating yung pangarap mo. With the King of Cups, meron ka ng mga na-accomplish na might be pangarap mo lang noon. Ngayon, eto na, meron ka na nito, nakuha mo na to. And, napakaganda, no? Yung iba sa inyo, you feel proud, you feel happy. Ayan. Gusto mo kung ano yung kinalalagyan mo. The Empress is here, so a lot of people admires you. Ina-admire ka nila, nakikita nila yung mga bagay na ginawa mo, ginagawa mo, at nakikita natin yung paghanga nito mga taong ito sa'yo. Now, I can see a person na maaring marami ka natutulungan eh. Yung iba, yung tulong na yon, sabihin na natin financially. I don't know kung meron ka bang charity or what, or mahilig ka mag-donate sa charity, etc. Pwedeng ganun yung attitude mo, or minsan nga na nakapag-bigay, nakapag-donate, ganyan. Hindi man lagi, pag meron, sabihin na natin ganun. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you could also be the person na kung hindi man material na bagay ang naitutulong, sabihin na natin emotionally nakakatulong ka sa mga tao. And I like your energy kasi naiiba yung pananaw or paningin nitong mga taong to sa buhay dahil sa mga bagay na itinutulong mo, no? They not only na-appreciate nila yung mga bagay na ibinibigay mo, nakikita nila sa iyo, but also naiiba eh yung mood nila na malungkot, bigla sila magiging masaya, magiging maganda ang mood, dahil sa mga naitutulong mo sa kanila. Ayan. And alamin natin, pagdating sa love, sino itong person na kakonect mo for the sign of Virgo? For the sign of Virgo, pagdating sa love, sino person tong kakonect ni Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. You do have here the Empress. King of Swords. The Magician. This person is very skillful. Marami siyang skills, marami siyang alam, marami siyang talents. Yan. Maybe magaling siyang sabihin na natin, magaling magluto, magaling mag-drawing, and any kind of talent, meron itong taon to. And nakikita natin na hinahangaan mo siya doon with the Empress. You like this person, physically, nandun na rin yung attraction mo sa taon to. Gusto mo siya physically, gusto mo siya sa kung ano nakikita mo sa kanya. More on physical, maybe yung itsura niya, mata niya, ilong niya. And the King of Swords, nakikita natin na you're dealing with a person na hindi masyadong emotionally open or very professional or astigin, sabihin na natin ganun yung itsura Parang someone na parang hindi mo makikitaan ng emotions. Kung magpapakita man itong taong ito or nagpapakita man ng emotion itong taong to, pwedeng hindi rin siya ganun ka-open. Lalo na with the Magician, nakikita natin ang taong parang very secretive or iba yung kanyang ginagawa sa kung ano man yung, or iba yung actions niya, iba yung sinasabi niya sa kung ano man yung totoo sa kanya. Because it's not lying for me, hindi yun pagsisinungaling, it's some kind of pag I'm seeing someone wearing a false self mask, kasi pwedeng sarili niya rin mismo yung niloloko niya. Kumbaga pwedeng ito yung pinapakita niya sa'yo, ito yung sinasabi niya sa'yo, pero deep inside pinapaniwala niya ang sarili niya na hindi mo kasi gusto yung taong yan. Diba? Pwedeng ganun. Kasi, the way I see this person is not showing you yung kanyang totoong emotion. Pero, pinapaniwala rin naman kasi niya ang sarili niya na hindi mo naman niya na gusto. Hindi mo yun gusto. Ayaw mo sa kanya. Alam mo yun? Kumbaga, this is your person na kinakausap ang sarili niya. Example, I'm your person. Sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, wala, hindi mo gusto yun. Ayaw mo dun. Ayaw mo ng ganun. Pero deep inside, I'm feeling like there's something more. Pero, yung person mo, pinapaniwala nga niya yung sarili niya na wala lang Parang ganun. But anyway, ano bang emotion mo towards this person? The Seven of Swords is here. King of Wands, the World. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Swords. I feel like you're being vulnerable pagdating dito sa person nito. You're quite open with the world. Nakikita natin open ka sa kanya. Pwedeng, I'm seeing that for now, pwedeng iniiwasan mo. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng open ka na sa taong to or iniiwasan mo maging open sa kanya. Maging vulnerable. Kasi siya yung tipo ng tao na kaya mo sabihin lahat Kaya mo maging open dito sa taong to And lalo na with the King of Wands energy. Yan. And the King of Cups, maybe regarding sa emotions mo, kaya mong i-open dito sa taong to Pero as much as possible with the with the Seven of Swords, ayaw mong gawin yun. Ayaw mong maging open. Iniwasan mo, nilalayuan mo. And yeah, the Justice card is here. Because this is the person na hindi mo gusto or hindi mo kayang magsinungaling sa kanya kasi nagigilty ka. It feels like the Strength card, ayan, Leo energy. May something sa connection ninyo na napakatibay, like maybe yung friendship ninyo, especially nakita ko kanina yung Three of Cups, so maybe there's friendship between the two of you, communication between the two of you, na parang ayaw mo masira, hindi mo kaya, nagigilty ka. Okay? So, ano yung emotions ng person na ito towards you? Emotion is the Queen of Cups. Yeah, this person loves you. Mahal ka niya. The Five of Cups is here. This person is currently sad. Malungkot siya. The Page of Swords is, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Yeah, lalo na with the Ten of Cups, this person really do loves you. Mahal ka niya. So, the way I see this, guys, mahal ka niya. Pareho lang kayo. Pero ngayon, mas nararamdaman natin yung sakit at lungkot sa side ng person na ito. Can you see this? This is the King of Cups. The Queen of Cups is here sa side niya. So, there's this matataas na tao dito. So, the King of Cups. Sa side niya, the King of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Queen of Cups. This person loves you, mahal ka niya, but this person is currently sad, nalulungkot, and tell me, bakit siya nalulungkot? The Tower, so maybe there's a Tower moment na nangyayari sa inyo ngayon, some kind of ending. Tell me about the Tower, please. Tell me about the Tower. The Devil, Capricorn energy. Six of Swords. The Lovers. It feels like another connection, another relationship is involved dito sa connection ninyo. And if yun ay nasa side niya, if you're dealing with a person na nasa side niya yung hindi maganda, ay yung another person, which is the third party, hindi niya gusto si third party eh. Sorry about that, no? Or that's the truth. The devil is here. So, nakikita niya itong person ito, someone na namamanipulate sa kanya. Ayaw niya ng ganun, guys. Ayaw na namin na manipulate siya. Ayaw niya na nagiging nagiging dominant itong taong ito. Kasi, hindi niya gustong may nag-uutos or may nagsasabi sa kanya na kung ano dapat gawin. Kasi, he or she is the empress. Pakiramdam niya, siya yung dapat na dominant or siya yung dapat na masusunod sa connection or what, but your person is dealing with the devil. Parang I have no choice, I have to listen to this person. So yung person mo is dealing with the person na parang no choice itong person mo kundi makinig, no choice siya kundi sumama, no choice siya kundi makipagrelasyon, and I feel like there's other people involved. So pwedeng may tao na isa pa na kasama itong person mo or yung person na involved sa kanila, no? Ay, yung person mo and yung person niya. So, pwedeng may nag-guide or nag-guard sa kanila. So, that could be a parent or tsahin. Nakakita na yung mga ganun. Babae man or lalaki. But anyway, there's a person here na parang laging nakatingin sa kanila. So, kaya wala lalo siyang masabi, wala siyang masay because of this person. And parang wala siyang choice. I have to be this, I have to be that. You know, kasi nakakahiya, pwede gano'n. Alamin natin anong gusto mangyari nitong person na to. The Ace of Wands is here. The Four of Wands. I feel like this person wants a new home. New home. New career. I mean, gusto niya ng fresh start. Sabihin na natin ganon. And with the Ten of Cups, gusto niya ng another, like, gusto niya ng family. Like, gusto niya mag-take ng risk na may kinalaman sa family. This person wants to walk away from this situation. You could be dealing with a married person, ano. Gusto niya gusto niya ng bagong pamilya. Sabihin na natin ganun. Gusto niya ng bagong relationship. Because the Ace of Wands is talking about new beginning, fresh start. And with the Four of Wands, ito nagpapakita ito as like something stable. Na lumabas dito sa ilalim yung Ten of Cups, which is may kinalaman sa family. I want a new family. I want a new start. I don't like the place or the people na kasama ko ngayon, where I belong or where I am now. I don't like this environment, no? Na meron ako sa akin ngayon. So, hindi niya gusto. This person, the Fool, gusto niyang, I mean, maybe this person is wishing na sana hindi na to, sana panaginip lang to, that anytime I can wake up. Yun yung nakikita natin sa person mo. With the Knight of Swords yan, gusto niya layuan, gusto niya umalis. And the Justice card, this could be a marriage. This could be talking about legal matter. So, pwedeng gusto ko alisan to, ayoko dito, hindi ko to gusto. Gusto ko ng new start. Gusto ko mag-take ng risk. We do have the strength card. Pero hindi niya kaya umalis. Kailangan niyang habaan ng pasensya niya. Yeah, the Two of Cups is here. So, yeah, the Sun. I feel like this person is... Don't get me wrong, kasi naging masaya naman siya dun sa relationship. Or may mga bagay naman na nagpapasaya sa kanya dun sa relationship or mga tao. Pero dun sa pinaka lugar mismo, I'm feeling a lot of bad energy. I'm feeling a lot of problems, a lot of sufferings, a lot of kalungkutan. And I feel like walang magawa yung person mo. Now, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? The near future for the both of you. Two of Swords is here. Ten of Swords is here. Seven of Wands. Clarify the Ten of Swords. The Strength card. Oh, wait lang. Marami pala to. The Strength card, the Two of Cups, and the Sun. The Wheel of Fortune and the Chariot is at the bottom of the deck. And meron din tayo dito Death card. In the near future, nakakita tayo ng some kind of ending. And kunin ko na rin yung sa side niya, guys. And I would take this as a special message. So, ano yung sa side ng person mo, kung ano yung meron sa side ng person mo. By the way, sorry about the noise, guys. Kung may naririnig kayo mga ingay sa background ko, medyo maingay po talaga kasi gisingan po yung mga tao, You do have the Three of Swords. Yeah, this is the Three of Swords, the Fool, and the Eight of Pentacles. I want to clarify, what's with the Three of Swords, please? Okay, the Three of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Three of Wands. Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Medyo pinakalma ko lang yung ingay. Medyo may ingay sa aking background. But anyway, the Three of Swords is, by the way, may nakita kong pusa. So, I don't know kung may sumilip ba sa yung pusa or tumingin sa ginagawa mo, like what. Okay lang kahit wala. Okay lang kahit hindi. It's okay. It's like a white cat yung nakita ko. So, I don't know if you own a white cat. But this could be a reading. Okay. Queen of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Well, anyway, nakakita ko na separation sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito in the near future. Like, both of you will be cutting off each other. You will be cutting off this person. Ika-cut off ka din niya. Kasi why? Kasi mas nauuna sa isipan ninyong dalawa na parang, hindi, okay na siya. May relationship na siya. Masaya na siya dun sa relationship niya. And then your person could be also be thinking the same. Pareho kayo. Pati siya, ganun din yung iniisip niya. Hindi, may relasyon na yun. Wala na yun. Wala na kami. Imposible na yun sa amin. Pwedeng ganun. And both of you, medyo, ang iniisip nyo is, medyo mahirap ipilit ang relationship, ang connection ninyo kasi masaya na siya. Parang ganun. And both of you are thinking the same. Pero, yung person mo is still missing you with the Three of Wands. Nami-miss ka niya. And I feel like may plano itong person na ito in the near future, kaya lang, plano pa lang. Hindi niya matake ng actions. Pero nakikita natin, iti-take niya ng actions to magta-take ng risk itong person na ito because this person sa ngayon, hindi niya kayang lagyan ng action yung mga plano or yung mga nasa isip niya. And I feel like ikaw, you are focusing with the Seven of Wands, which is mga bagay na makakapagpabago sa sitwasyon mo. You are making changes in your life, right? I know, in the near future, you will be making changes in your life. May mga pagbabago, slight differences na gagawin mo sa buhay mo. You do have a chariot, some of you, pwede may kinalaman ito sa pagta-travel. So, I can see you traveling. And with the death card, yeah. Whatever ending itong nangyayari sa ngayon, meron ka mga ending na nangyayari ngayon. I feel like itatry mong mag-compromise or itatry mong ayusin or itatry mong sanayin ang sarili mo dito sa mga bagay na nawala sa'yo. So, nakikita natin na parang it's like a happy ending for you. Nakikita natin kahit may ending, hindi naman siya naging malungkot for you kasi parang okay pa rin naman, masaya ka pa rin naman. And in the near future, please tell me more in the near future. Nakakaramdam ako ngayon, I don't know if you do have dysmenorrhea or may menstruation ka ba. I can feel you having a menstruation. But anyway, okay lang kahit wala. I mean, wala tayong gender specific dito, but yun yung nakuha kong energy. You do have here the Six of Pentacles, the Judgment, Ace of Pentacles is here, and you do have here the Nine of Pentacles. Yan, puro Pentacles, and that is Earth sign, and meron tayong Judgment, which is a major arcana. And then your future, nakakita tayo dito ng with regards to your career, alam mo, nakakita ko dito ng number 3, and nakakita ko ng number 3. So, meron kang growth in the near future. Okay? And I feel like there's also number 6. Number 6, nakikita ko yung number 6. So, that is a well-balanced growth. Yun yung maganda eh. Kasi might be, may parte sa career mo ang nagiging mas balanse in the near future for you. And nakikita natin na dahil balance na ito, okay na ito, mas magkakaroon ng growth ito sa'yo. No? Kasi might be in the past, masyadong rocky road. 'Di ba? Masyadong magulo, masyadong mahirap. So, ang hirap magkaroon ng growth sa isang bagay na hindi mo mapaandar ng maayos. Halimbawa, sa isang, sasakyan. No? Let's say you're riding a car or a bike, sabihin na natin even a bike, if you are on a rocky road, medyo mahirap kang makarating doon sa pupuntahan mo, 'di ba? Medyo magaganon-ganon, magsisway-sway yung bike or medyo out of balance ka or what. And medyo mahirapan kang abutin yung goal mo, yung gusto mong puntahan kasi masyadong rocky, masyadong magulo, no? Pwedeng ang road mo minsan patarik, may pababa. Alam mo yon, medyo magulo. Tapos may mga mud, you know what I mean? So, the way I see this, medyo mas ma-level or maganda na yung lalakaran mo in the near future, lalo na with regards to your finances. And I can see you finding your own balance. Ngayon, dahil nahanap mo na yung balance dito, nababalanse mo na yung buhay mo, yung oras mo, yung sitwasyon mo, pagdating sa career, nakakita tayo ng growth. Yan. Ayan. And I feel like with the Nine of Pentacles, this is success, guys. This is success. And hindi lang siya basta success. I can see a person beside you, a person you are with, a person that will be with you and will give you advice regarding money. And nakikita natin na kaya mo nakukuha lalo yung success dahil sa tulong na rin ng taong ito. The Four of Pentacles is here. Some of you need to rest, maybe rest spiritually, spiritual rest, kind of resting, and just have fun with your family and the friends, ganyan. If you need to travel, you need to travel and travel, just have fun. Kailangan mo bakasyon, Ganun. So anyway, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye. So mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader guys, para sa akin, pwede kang magpa-palm reading. Nagbibigay akong palm reading kung magbibili ka ng specific na bracelet doon sa aking TikTok shop. Actually, mag-open na ako ng TikTok shop na pwede kang magpa-palm reading or astrological, yung sa regarding your stars or your astrological chart, okay? Pwede akong gumawa nun sa'yo so you can choose. Kasama yun sa bracelet if you would avail, okay? Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.